Alright, y'all. Today's gonna be a little different. There's a network exec coming in to check out the show. This could be a massive opportunity for us.
Are you about to sell our souls to the devil?
No, why would you say that?
You just said a network exec is coming. What the f*** else does that mean?
They don't let YouTubers in that kind of stuff, Todd. They talk too much.
Guys, that stuff's just a conspiracy.
Well, how would you know that if you're not in it?
Alright, can we just take the show seriously today? That's all I ask.
When the f*** have I not taken it seriously?
Pretty much every episode so far.
He's right. You're a Don't worry, Marlon. You can count on me.
Can I? Well, where are the ingredients?
There you go. That should be everything.
Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
You have a good day.
Oh, I will. Every day's a blessing, you know.
It is.
Oh. Mi familia. There you go. I have more copies.
Thank you.
And you have a blessed day.
Hey guys, welcome to Nuke With Me, the cooking show where we make gourmet foods in the microwave. Today we're making meat pie, and this is a real recipe, so make sure you follow.
Marlon, the guy is here.
Oh,
Do we not lock doors?
didn't see you come in somehow.
That's all right. Hugh Rivers. I'm really excited to see what you guys have going on here, man. It's a lot of people really excited to see you. But you know what? Don't mind me. You guys just do your thing.
Nice. I'm just gonna tune my guitar. That's what I normally do before we shoot. Hell yeah. Still got it. I am so talented.
I'm sorry about him.
Too bad no one's discovered me.
No. I'm not here for you, man.
Okay, let's begin. Because this show is doing so well, our success has brought us fan mail. Our first letter is from famous actor Hugh Jackman.
Really? Hugh Jackman? I was just with him the other day. Well, what does it say?
Actually, we don't need to do this right now. Let's just start the recipe.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, if you get some time a little bit later, definitely tell me what it is because he doesn't write letters. So, it must be pretty important.
Yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, let's begin. Here are the ingredients for meat pie: flour, butter, onion, Italian seasoning, minced garlic, ground clove, milk, instant mashed potatoes, water, and ground beef.
Oh, beef!
That's what that is.
Oh yeah, a group chat. Dope.
Hey, everything all right?
Yeah, everything's fine. Okay, we're gonna start off by taking 1 cup of flour and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. We're gonna mix that together. Next, we're gonna take 1 cup of butter and microwave it for about 15 seconds to soften it up.
I'm a Thai guy myself.
How did this happen?
Thump!
What does that mean?
Thump!
Just be quiet, just be quiet. Shut up.
I'm gonna figure out who put you in here. At the same time, you be quiet. It's the network exec here, man. I can't mess this up, okay? I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, just be quiet. Damn, man.
Okay, let's keep shooting.
We're gonna put the butter in. We're gonna mix it up till it's nice and doughy. While we're mixing that up, we're going to add in a little bit of water at a time. There we go. you're going to take your dough, knead it a little bit. Once you've kneaded that a little bit, you're gonna gather it up into a little ball. Little ball of dough. That's it for 5 minutes. Shh. Okay, just give me,
Hairy legs.
thanks.
The hairiest legs I've ever seen.
David? Alright, just be quiet. Just please be quiet. Just be quiet. Shh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. After you let your ball of dough sit for 5 minutes, we're gonna cut it in half. Because we're only gonna use half of it right now. We'll take one half, put it off to the side for now, and we're gonna roll out this half until it's nice and flat. Once you've done that, we're gonna put it in a pie pan. There we go. Now we're gonna refrigerate the pie pan for 20 minutes. And we shall wait.
Excuse me. I gotta go to the bathroom.
That wasn't me. If it was, you'd know. Daddy likes a rolling hitch. Just enough friction to feel pain, but not enough to get rope burn.
What the f does that mean?
It means I'm not sloppy. Like some people.
It's just a hernia.
Oh. We should probably get that checked out.
I know what you mean. I've had one before. It hurts.
In a separate bowl, we're gonna take 1.5 cups of ground beef.
Oh, beef!
Yeah, it's f***ing beef. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove, and salt and pepper. And we're gonna mix this up. We're gonna microwave this on high for 5 to 7 minutes at 100% power. Give me something else.
Foul breath!
Foul breath.
Foul breath!
Todd, I got it. Okay. I'm gonna talk to him for you.
Let's go!
What is this guy hiding, a gremlin?
I apologize. I just need to talk to Todd real quick. Important question about, sound.
Okay. All right. No problem. No problem.
Todd, why the f is the delivery man tied up in the cabinet? Maybe you should ask your therapist, you freak. Are you serious? Let's not forget I'm not as stupid as you. Then why do you think I did it? I can't tie rope. Why don't you ask your closet smart roommate whom you know nothing about?
Whatever.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
We're good. We're good. I think I need a spoon for the next step.
Oh, I got one right here. No problem. Oh.
Impressive.
Ew.
Fanny pack.
I do that too.
You're gonna use that?
Oh, look at that beef. Ground beef. In a separate bowl, take 2/3 cup of instant mashed potatoes, 1/3 cup of milk, 2/3 cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of butter. And we're gonna microwave this for 3 minutes at 100% power.
That's too stupid. Get up. I need something else. You gotta help me out here. I need help from you so I can help you out.
Big and scary.
Big and scary. No.
Big. So scary.
Okay.
No. Okay. No. Yes. Please.
Please, this takes time. This takes time. Again, feeding the fucking gremlin.
Oh. Okay.
There it is. Now, we're gonna take our meat mixture and combine it with the mashed potato mixture. All right. Keep mixing up the ground beef. Beef! And once that's mixed up, we're gonna get the pie pan out of the refrigerator. Now, we're gonna put our mashed potato and ground beef mixture into the pie pan. Once that's in there, we're gonna even it out. That way, there's not empty spaces in your pie. We're gonna take a teaspoon of sage and sprinkle it. Once you've done that, you're gonna take your other half and put it on top of the pie. And once you've done that, you're gonna cut off the excess dough. That way, the pie is pretty. We're gonna put some holes in the top to give the filling some air. All right, now we're gonna put the pie in the microwave for 11 minutes at 100% power, or until the crust is fully cooked.
Jesus Christ!
What? What's going on?
Hey!
Oh, shit.
Jesus.
Whoa!
This show is full of surprises.
What the f are you? I'm the half-man, half-kangaroo! I've been hunting people who've been selling kangaroo meat on the market! Kangaroo lives matter too, and I'm doing me part!
Well, that was just ground beef. I asked the delivery guy to write kangaroo in the package to make things more sexy.
Let this be a lesson to the lot of ya! Kangaroos have feelings too! That was the weirdest f***ing thing!
Why did that exist?
That was f***ing stupid!
It was dumb.
I'm all about sex appeal.
The pie's done.
That boy.
Okay. Let's see what I've done. Oh. You know, I've done it again.
What the hell? We have to call the police.
No.
No, we can't do that. We can't have the cops here again.
Why?
Shut the f up, that's why. Stop being a bitch. Plus, I have a better idea. Want to be internet famous?
Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn post notifications on so you know every time they post. If you enjoy the half man, half kangaroo, I question you.